what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, the greatest channel in the land. And football is back. It's football season. Woo! Go Falcons, rise up, let's go. All right, so the season's about to kick off in about 5 minutes. We're playing the Seattle Seahawks. We're gonna get that dub. We're gonna get that dub, baby. I really don't know how the season's gonna turn out. I don't know how it's gonna go. I guess we'll just take it week by week. Hopefully COVID doesn't stop the season midway through. I really don't see how we're having a season. I know the capacity is cut down to like a quarter of the maximum capacity. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully they can get all 17 games out, and hopefully the Falcons will come out the Super Bowl champions at the end of this year. Game 1, Julio, Matt Ryan, we got Todd Gurley, see how he look at running back this year. But yeah, we're ready for this game. Let's go. And just like that, the 2020 season is underway. Let's go, we got ball first. Let's go Julio, let's go Matt Ryan. Oh, they're taking a knee. They're taking a knee, that's cool. Oh, that was creative. I ain't never seen that before. You know, usually they do it during the anthem, but now they just doing it on the first kickoff. That's cool. There go Russ. Sierra can't save you today. You know it's a home game. We playing future all game. That boy done started already. That boy Ty Gurley done started going wild already. Man, they ain't got nobody in the stands. That's wild. You looking nice with Todd Gurley. Alright, they still ain't get him down though. Grady! Grady baby! 3rd and 23. What y'all gonna do? Nothing. I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all gonna do. Nothing. He thought. Okay, so the Seahawks just scored. The score is 7-3. They didn't really do anything special that drive. The Falcons have been playing great defense. I think we got like 3 sacks already on that drive alone. So that's good. We had them totally stopped, but we helped them out with a penalty. It was a pass interference call, that which allowed them to get the ball within the 10-yard line. And I mean, you can't really stop Russell Wilson and the Seahawks in the red zone. So yeah, there's that. But it's only the first quarter. We'll come back. We're gonna win this game, no doubt about it. He in there. He in there. Don't try to play him. He in there. Yep. Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley. Yep, there you go.
Right there, that is an Atlanta Falcon touchdown. Todd Gurley's first. Welcome back to Georgia.
We got to end this half with some points. Come on now. We need to play. There you go. Good play, good play, good play. Ah, come on, I need a touchdown. I don't want a field goal. 3rd down. Oh, they saying we ain't even in field goal range yet. There you go. Alright, field goal range. That's alright. Oh, flag. That better not be on us. I'll take the field goal. I'll take the 3 points. Come on. Come on, young way. And it's good. Shout out to Young Way Koo, Georgia Southern graduate. Y'all, I'm so mad. We up here trying to crawl back into this game. The score is 21-20. They just scored on the 4th down. Touchdown by Russell Wilson, which never should have happened. It's 4th and 2. We go for the fake punt. We pretty much get the yards we need, but we fumble it. Man, come on, man. We gotta do better than I really don't see us winning this game right now. But we'll see. 3rd quarter, 7.5 minutes left. 21-12. Got a whole another quarter to go. We'll see. And the ball is 4th and 2. Throw the ball. 4th and 2.
The rest of this defense
Throw the ball to somebody. It's 4th and 2. Bro, I don't think Matt Ryan's that guy no more. Come on, man. 4th and 2, let the ball go. You have to. You know you're under pressure. You're already rolling out. Let it go or run forward. Get the yards.
The number on my credit card is 02371221.
All right, final score, 38-25. We lost. All right, so we lost. Sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles. This is only the first game. And who knows? We can go 16-1. Hey, you never know. It's only game 1. Next week we have the Dallas Cowboys. I'm gonna go ahead and check that off as a win. I'll see you next week. Bye. Rise up.